I love giving life to old things, creating and crafting. I'm Kathy with Goodson Vintage Treasures, and welcome to my channel. You can create a beautiful pumpkin like this with JRV Decoupage paper, some paint, and some liquid patina. Watch out. I took a craft store pumpkin and painted it with white swan. It's best to paint with a white paint underneath decoupage paper, no matter what color. I used the Cottage Birds decoupage paper from JRV. I sell these at GoodsonVintageTreasures.com. I laid the paper on the pumpkin first to see about how big it would be on the pumpkin. Then I wanted to cut out the bird. To cut out decoupage paper and get a nice edge, the best thing to do is to wet it with just water on a brush. Just outline where you want it to be cut, and instead of cutting, you're just going to gently tear it apart. The water makes a nice soft edge rather than a sharp edge like you get with a pair of scissors. I cut out one of the birds, and then I used water again and cut out another bird. Again, tracing around the area I wanted it to cut with water. Then I tore on the wet paper to remove the area I wanted from the paper to put on the pumpkin. You want to start with your painted pumpkin when it's dry, and you want to place liquid patina on your area that you're going to start with. Liquid patina's real name is Crystal Clear Chandelier Liquid Patina, but we all call it liquid patina for short. I sell this at GoodsonVintageTreasures.com and at the Picket Fence Antiques More in Newton, North Carolina. You want a nice smooth coat, not too heavy. Then you want to lay your piece of paper, in this case it's my bird, over the pumpkin. It's going to wrinkle some because this is not a flat surface. As you paint the top coat of liquid patina on, you want to make sure that you're painting from the center out. You don't want to paint across the rough edges unless you're moving from the center out always. Continue cutting out pieces of the paper with water and fitting the pieces in till the whole pumpkin surface is covered. As I'm putting the pieces on and fitting pieces in, I still use the water to trim the pieces as I'm working. Once the liquid patina is dry, I'm going to add a coat of wax. First I use clear wax and then a little bit of dark wax. So I clear wax the whole pumpkin just to give it a soft shine. Next, I used a little bit of dark wax, or you can use the black or the brown. This is DIY. and I add it to the creases of the pumpkin. This is going to give it just a little bit of a darker look. Then take a soft cloth and smooth the wax out, buffing it to a nice finish. You can buy all the products you've seen here at GoodsonVintageTreasures.com or at the Picket Fence Antiques More in Newton, North Carolina. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.